Hey, what's going on, y'all? And welcome to CryptoTrav.co YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. Last week I actually didn't do an episode just because I was just a little busy. I wasn't feeling too good, so I took that week off. I've been going strong. But again, thank you all for joining in. If you haven't done so already, subscribe down below. This is how YouTube gets to know that people like the content and just watch. I will be going over several different crypto news topics today and just some coins I'm looking at purchasing because Bitcoin dominance have went up so high and so a lot of altcoins have actually bottomed, and I think that if you buy them at this price range right now and you hold for a few months, you could see like BAT did over 290%. So these coins have the same potential. I'm gonna go over at the end of the video, more towards the end. So stay tuned, guys. You don't want to miss this. It's an opportunity for you to make some money. So I just want to start off by saying thank you guys for tuning in. Comment down below. What do you think Bitcoin price is going to be in the coming months? Are we going to be bearish, bullish because of this golden cross that just actually happened here? Okay. So you guys like my shirt? Everybody love Pepsi. You see that Pepsi? But yeah. So let's get to it. Let's look at the coin market cap real quick. I actually fell a little bit. All right. So we have the coin market cap right now. The market cap is at 169 billion. The 24 volume is 47 billion, and Bitcoin dominance is 54.4%. Bitcoin has fallen, guys. The other day I had reached a high of 5,600. Now we have that was actually yesterday. Now we're currently at 5,281. Ethereum also has fallen to 155. XRP is falling as well, so it's gone to 29 cents. Bitcoin Cash is at $269, and Litecoin is still holding strong above $70, guys. And EOS here as well is at $4.62. As you can see, just the first 13 actually top market cap coins are actually all in the red right now. So it's been a red day. It's been a red day, guys. And I've been wanting this to happen for some time because I'm trying to get some cryptos at a cheaper price, especially some Bitcoin. I've been really waiting for Bitcoin to really drop, honestly, so I could buy it at a lower price. So let me show you guys this chart here. See that nice little candle right there, though, guys? Jeez, Bitcoin is dropping. It's dropping hard. So as you can see, we're on a 4-hour time frame here. On this yellow wedge, you see it was the bullish wedge, and we broke out of it, and then we found some stability around this price range, the 5,000 price range, and we had some bullish momentum. Like I said the other day, we had a high about 5,662. A lot of people were so bullish on this golden cross because it hasn't happened since 2015 around the October timing. So people were just so bullish. Oh my gosh, I'm going to buy Bitcoin. So to me, I wasn't completely sold because after we had this jump here, I'm like, yo, you see where this white trend line is red trend line? These are my pickup zones for where I want to buy some more crypto. And this is what I was waiting for the entire time. So I'm actually happy that we see this huge pullback right here. This candle is just, it hasn't even closed yet. Definitely gonna see where it closes at, just to see what I think Bitcoin is gonna do. Okay, guys. So definitely let me show you the daily. So on the daily time frame is where the golden cross actually happened. This right here is the golden cross. The golden cross. Everybody was so happy that happened, and it hasn't even completely crossed yet. Now looking at it, everybody was so hype about it, but it hasn't even fully crossed. So who's safe? It doesn't. They're about to kiss each other right now, so it's like so close to actually happening. But even though, look, this golden cross happened, that happened yesterday on April 24th. Today's April 25th. And look at this nice little long dojis that's happening right here. It's like, we're bearish right now. I still think that we have good momentum to retest the 6,000. Just not now. We have to come. I feel like it'll be a nice healthy pullback to the 4,500 range, the 4,200 range, and that is when we'll see some good bullish action again. Also wanted to go over ETH, one of my favorite projects. All right, so I like to use something called the wick-off trading method. This is why you see these red and green trend lines here. I actually figured that it would touch this green trend line again, which it actually did, and I'm hoping that the body of the candle closes on top of this green trend line, because I will be buying more Ethereum here. Why am I doing this for? Because if we look previously, we broke up top of here. This is two really strong supports, so I think that we'll probably just hover over this a little bit, and I'm hoping that we'll just stay on top of this price range and not break down back into between the red and the green trend line. So this definitely, once the next candle forms, I'll be looking actually to get in on this. So what are you guys gonna get on? Like what altcoins are you buying? You guys should drop that down below as well. Let me know what altcoins you're thinking about buying. So let's go into some crypto news. I wanted to talk about Nike. Nike out here on a low just created crypto kicks. They patented that, and they are about to have their own decentralized platform where people could and have their own community where people could buy sneakers. And I think that's dope because personally for me, I like to buy shoes as well, and some sneakers. I'm not big on sneakers like I used to be, but sneakers and shoes. So I'm hyped that they're doing this because it's just letting us know, like, yo, everybody's trying to get somehow, some way into this crypto space. As for what platform they're using, I'm gonna assume and guess they're going to be using Ethereum that way because it's one of the very most popular coins out there, and with the smart contracts they're able to write out these codes efficiently so they could actually execute on what Nike actually wants to do. So let's take a look at this article real quick, guys. Let's go and pull it up real quick. It's here right here. Yup, Nike Crypto Kicks trademark application at its new blockchain ambition, guys. Like, this is gonna be dope, man, for real. Nike has submitted a trademark application for the word Crypto Kicks, signaling it may be gearing up to launch its own digital currency and a host of cryptocurrencies related products. The application filed on April 19 outlines how the company's proposed digital currency could be used by an online community. The document also describes an online footwear and clothing marketplace, as well as a website featuring technology that enables users to earn purchase received by any other means, store and transfer blockchain tokens, coins, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. Actually reading this, I think that this would actually, even though I think they're going to use Ethereum, I don't know if you guys know about the SYS coin. This would actually be perfect a perfect opportunity for SYS to jump in and grab this opportunity, because what SYS is a platform for business applications where you are your own marketplace and you could sell and buy without third party interactions. And this is basically what Nike is going to do, or it sounds like that's what they're trying to do. Where other people are able to market their services and sell and buy sneakers as they please, and other clothing items as well. So let's see what they do. I definitely think SYS would be a really dope project for them to team up with. If not, Ethereum is also really good as well. I'm not gonna lie to you, SYS is one of my favorite coins. It's competing with Amazon and eBay. So, and like I said, it's decentralized. Is built off the back of Bitcoin, and they just have a really good team. Guys, check that out. And trust me, they're not even selling. They're not even telling me to promote this. This is just me. I read the article, say like, that's why I would really do his thing here. So that was just my little 2 cents, my little 2 cents. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, Nike's doing it. I'm definitely proud of them for coming into the crypto space. I think is whatever project that they are going to, whatever project is going to aid them in creating this marketplace for them. Best be sure that coin will be jumping. So keep your eyes and ears glued to Nike and see who they will be announcing. And shoot, I wish I had the inside, because if I had the inside information, I would definitely be buying into that ASAP. ASAP. You know what I'm saying? So crypto kicks. Also wanted to talk about Disney. Yo, Disney. Oh my gosh. Disney is in talks with buying Bitstamp in Corbett. Let me show y'all. Yep. So we have Disney likely to become new owner of Bitstamp and Corbett in a $13.2 billion Nexon shares deal. I just think this is huge. Disney's trying to get into the game, to the blockchain space. Y'all like, what? This is going to be insane. Okay, Disney's already making moves which are likely to see it owning the oldest Bitcoin exchange, according to a recent report. The company is currently looking to acquire a 98.6% stake in Nexon, South Korea's largest game developer and the second largest online games publisher in the world. Nexon set to sell for $13.2 billion, guys. Like, this is insane. We all know Disney has the money for it. Let's see how this transpires. The gaming giant, which is partially owned by NCX 47%, has since announced plans to sell attractive various major entities. Major gaming firms like Tekken and Kilka have both reportedly ventured into blockchain space and likely to launch their cryptocurrencies related projects soon have also shown interest. However, Disney is said to be most prefers buyer, with the chairman of NCX, Jung Ju Kim, personally reaching out to the U.S. corporation. Wow. So he's actually reaching out to them to like, yo, do this. It's interesting that It's interesting that he's actually reaching out to them rather than them coming up with this idea on their own. Who knows what kind of play this is? Like, this is it's very interesting that they're doing that way. I thought it was Disney just like, let me jump in. Y'all selling this? Let me get a little piece of the blockchain pie. I see a lot of money going on around here, so it's interesting that they reached out to them, and let's see how Disney bargains this. Because if you reach out to me to buy something, to me you sound desperate. Like, are you desperate? You that desperate? I don't want to pay you 13.2. My name is huge. If me buying your joint gonna make crypto or your exchange pop off or moon, I'm gonna try to get it for 9, maybe 8. Like, how far can I push you low? Because you want to bring my name into it. That's just my thought, guys. This is my thought. All right, let's see what this next article is about. There's this dude that was just talking about how Binance is coming too strong, becoming just a very powerful exchange. I actually want to show you guys the article on my website instead of this one. But tell me what you guys think. Do you guys think that Binance is becoming too strong of an entity or corporation within the crypto space? My personal opinion is this. I love that they are killing the crypto space. Their BNB coin is killing it. It's also been doing super well during the bear market. I'm just really proud of them for doing that. And they lead the way in just crypto adoption. It's like they drop the hottest coins on their website. They also just launched their Binance Dex. So that's going to be very interesting. I actually couldn't find this article I wanted to discuss with you guys. I'll mention it real quick. So they're launching a decentralized exchange, right? But after hearing people's comments and things, Binance, even though they're going to be launching a decentralized exchange, let's say, for instance, they find out that the user, you, are doing some fraudulent activity, whether you stole somebody's private keys or you somehow hack somebody's account. Now it's on your Binance Dex account. They have the authority to suspend your account and tell or let the legal repercussions or police reprimand you for doing such. How is that a decentralized exchange when you have that right to still govern how I use my account on your exchange? So people have a little issues with that because of how Binance is moving. But I think Binance is still cool. What they're doing is cool, and they're just huge in the blockchain space. All right, guys, this is my website right here. If you haven't done so, check it out. It's TRB Crypto Solutions, where we believe crypto is a solution for the future. So the Binance chain effect. I'm not gonna go over this whole article, but it's just discussing um, Binance just taking away Ethereum from its blockchain and being its own entity. And CZ, the Binance owner, was just saying, "Listen, we're not trying to like play. We're not trying to play Ethereum or say we're better than it. We're just more so focused on creating this decentralized exchange, and we're focused on speed and low cost, low maintenance costs the for our exchange and website at the end of the day." So this is what they're trying to accomplish right now. So it's no shade to Ethereum. They're just really on doing their own thing, trying to make things happen. Again, guys, check out the website. It's really dope. If you got content creators, holla at my boy Alvaro, man. He wrote this article up. It's really dope. So definitely just check this out. We have, there's a lot going on here. This article is probably a good 7, 8 minute read. I don't like to have them write too long of an article because I just want to keep you guys focused. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about Binance. Or do you think they're becoming too strong of an entity within the cryptocurrency space? Drop your comments. Let me know what you think. I want to know what y'all thinking out there. All right. Oh, this one right here to my Game and Throne users right here. You can now bet on the final outcome on Games of Thrones on this website called freebitco.in. You get to choose whoever you want to win, and if you're correct, you win Bitcoin. You feel me? Look, and right now the prize pool is at 1.5 Bitcoin. That's insane. You have 26 days to bet, guys. I'm not. I'm not gonna lie to you. I've never watched Game of Thrones, but I hear it's the wave right now. So if that's your thing, do your thing. I'm not. I'm Once Game of Thrones is completely over, maybe I'll binge watch it. But I just feel it's too late for me, and trying to catch up with everything and everything that I got planned right now. I don't got time for it, y'all. I don't got time. So yeah, I was going to talk about John McAfee. This dude says that he knows who the real Bitcoin is, and he says it's not one person; it's a bunch of different Indians. What? It's just like everybody swear they know who the real Satoshi Nakamoto is, and he doesn't want to disclose who it is because it's gonna affect his U.S. extradition. So he's gonna keep his mouth shut, guys. I'm just like, okay, whatever you say, Mr. McAfee. Whatever you say. All right, so guys, I just wanted to show you guys. I'm about to wrap up now. I didn't want to keep it too long. If you guys are watching Avengers, I didn't get to get my tickets for Avengers, y'all. But if you guys are watching Avengers, don't spoil it for me, all right? Like, I'm literally about to be off of social media for a week. Don't spoil Avengers for me. I gotta see it for myself. You heard? But I'm about to go through my alerts. I'm gonna go through my alerts on my Coinigy app. I get the alerts to my email, so that's how I know. Like, ooh, okay, a lot of coins literally bottomed out, guys. I just wanted to show you guys some real quick. All right, this first coin I'm gonna show you is XMR. The privacy coin, definitely to me, it's a must-have. Definitely will be the next privacy coin that hits $1,000. So right now we're looking at the daily chart. As you can see, it's literally hit my green trend line right here beautifully. Definitely brought some down here. Look at the 4-hour chart. It looks probably a little more cleaner. All these volume bars are so huge you can barely see. So again, so it I had this white line here because back here, as you can see, this was holding as support, and I figured it was gonna break. And I definitely think you see how this candle has hit this green like perfectly. This is a buy zone for me. So between this green and red trend line bars are great. Once I buy here, I'm almost 100% sure in because I'm gonna show you on a few. Yo, this is right there. Between those two, that's a good 15% gains right there. That's not bad, man. And potential gains for 25. Just you gotta be patient and hold out. But as you can see, right, I showed you. Make sure y'all can see this between the green trend line and the red trend line. XMR has been trading between this for let me see, since 2018. Since 2018 of December. Yep, December 16th of 2018. So since it first bottomed out here, it's literally, as you can see, been trading up and down. So imagine how many times you can make a good 10, 15% buying up here, selling up here, buying up here, selling up here. This is just trading strategy I'm discussing with y'all. Once you guys see this pattern, you guys trade accordingly. And I'm showing y'all one of my tricks, y'all. I don't show everybody my tricks, but it's one of my tricks. Once I figure out the pattern, this is what I'm playing. So definitely buying some XMR in here for some 15% gains. Why not? It's easy money, y'all. It's easy money. All right. That's the next coin. I'm gonna show y'all 5. I have like about 20. I got like 20 left. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. A lot because when Bitcoin's dominance goes up, all coins start to bleed. And it's okay. Like I needed them to bleed so I could buy in at cheaper prices. Like BAT was doing crazy. XZC guys. This one bottomed out as you can see as well. As you can see, like sometimes there's not a lot of price movement on this coin. It jumps little and little and little. As you can see, it's hit a nice little support, and usually when it hits this price range, it hit a little lower this time, but as you see, as once it hits that price range, it goes up probably. Let's see how much it goes up. Literally, check it from here. Wow, this is 31% gains. So if you buy it here and hold out for a little bit, you can make. Can y'all see that? This is 31% gains right here once you buy from the bottom. And who knows how long that'll take? Probably a few weeks for my swing traders. 32% is not bad, y'all. It's not bad at all. So definitely this is But think about also when Bitcoin dominance is so dominant is that even sometimes coins may bottom, it may go lower. So even though it bounced a little bit, because the dominance is at 54% right now, this may continue to bleed. All right, let me see what else I have for you. I'm gonna show that's number 2. That's number 2. ZRX. Alright, here we go with ZRX, guys. Another one of my favorite coins right here. That was just some stuff I traded out. I said traded out. I graphed out earlier. You see how I put an expected bounce here. There was a little bounce, but it wasn't strong enough to hold. But you see how I said if no bounce, good pickup zone. You see how I worded this, and I put this here months ago, and now look at where ZRX is at. I put this here months ago, guys, and I put this is a great pickup zone. Guess what? I'm picking up some ZRX then. And if we go back and we see, okay, so this white little dotted line is where the price is at. You see, so right here is where the coin had bottomed out before. If it can recuperate from here, guess what? We're looking at 200 and well, this is almost 300% gains if it recovers from where the price is at now. But like I said again, you have to look at Bitcoin's dominance and also have to look at. To me, I'm looking at the volume here. So I'm looking at volume, like what's the volume like? We may not hold this right now. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. And look how we also dropped. You also have to look at how we dropped as well. So let me take away these the 200 EMA line and the 50. I'm just giving you guys just how I think about stuff when they go down like this. So this is a descending wedge here, as you guys can see. And in this descending wedge, I'm looking at, okay, after we broke out the descending wedge, what was the bounce back? 16%, right? So I take a mental note of that 16%. And now I'm going to be looking at the other descending wedges now as well. So another descending wedge here. I really like to chart graphs, guys. It's like my favorite thing to do. It's like artwork to me. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. To understand how price is moving. So this is the second descending wedge. Start from the bottom. We have a bounce back of about 12.47%, right? So it's the first one was 16. The second one was 12. This we have right here some support here, now turn resistance. Now I'm looking again at the descending wedges that transpired again. And if you guys don't understand how do I even look at these things? How do I even know? How do I know where? You go to my website and we could discuss that. Set you up some classes, get you a nice little private too. So this one is 13%. So on average, out of the descending wedges so far, we're going to break at least 12% out of the descending wedges, right? So knowing that, I'm like, okay, and we got we got 3 descending wedges. We had some support here. And then we had a nice little breakout, but it wasn't strong enough. And then we just broke down. So this is another descending wedge. I'm hoping, we could recover from, like I said before in my notes, like this is a great pickup zone right here, But I don't think it's gonna break out. Why do I think it's not gonna break out, right? I don't think it's gonna break out because we're trending along the sides of the bottom of the trend line versus the top of the trend line. So you also have to look at that when you put these trend lines on. This is a little sloppy. I just want to show you guys real quick. I make way neater graphs than this, but I'm just showing you an overall thought process on how I think when I'm investing. So I definitely think we may go a little low. We may have a nice little bounce to touch the top of the trend line, but I highly doubt so. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna lie. And looking how low volume is looking as well on the bottom of this, I'm not too highly. But I'm definitely gonna pick some up because this is still a great pickup zone. Now what I do is after I do that analysis, I'm setting up alerts. So my next alert, I'm gonna put it right here. That's where I'm putting my next alert at. I'm gonna actually put a few alerts down, but that one is definitely alert. Then I just put in that alert a must buy. This is literally how I talk to myself. Must buy. Stop playing. So that's literally how I talk to myself. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's how I talk to myself. Once I see something that hits a great buying zone and it's a product that I love and I like it, I'm like, oh my gosh. I put must buy there. I'm just like, you know what? I don't care what I gotta do. I gotta throw something, even if it's just $100. I'm like, I gotta put money right there. It's a must for me. You know what I'm saying? That's just me. You ain't gotta follow my rules. Remember, this is just my personal life. You can't sue me. I'm just sharing with you guys how I go about doing some things. You know? So definitely, that was I showed you XMR. I showed you ZRX. What else I showed you guys? XZC. I got two more to show y'all. Oh, let me show y'all Steam. Y'all Steam. Steam definitely bottomed out. Steam definitely bottomed out. A lot of these coins I'm showing you, I already like did my own research on them. That's just like personal. I'm not gonna show you something I haven't done my research on. I don't know why these. I must have. Yeah, this is. That's not even. Don't even worry about what I put here. I might delete. Let me delete some of this stuff so I don't confuse y'all. Just gonna delete it because I'm just like, whoa. I see what I was thinking, but for this is no way now. What I do is when I learn something new, I always practice it. So I love using the Wyckoff trading method. This method is over 100 years old. Also got the book as well. I read up on Mr. Wyckoff. Also took a class on that trading method as well. It was a stock class. It was a stock class where they were using just doing it on stocks, and and you get to send your stuff as well. So I was sending a lot of crypto stuff. So they were like, "Oh crap, this dude is really good." So this is Steam, y'all. As y'all can see, that joint has just been declining. We have, let's see, it declined a good whopping 53%, guys. 53%. And as you can see, let's bring it. Damn. I think this is the lowest price it's been at. Let me see. In a long time. Let me see what the data it has on it. Yup, this is actually its monthly low right now. At the stats it's at. So you guys see here, I always like to look at this as well. It gives you its all-time high, monthly high, weekly low, monthly low, and all-time low. So like sometimes I could just hit this and be like, I set an alert saying this is monthly low. Goodbye. Goodbye here. I set alerts like that, just to remind myself, like, yo, this is a goodbye. Let's look at the daily chart real quick. I'm showing y'all some good coins right here that I really mess with. Now look at the daily, guys. Oh my gosh. So as you guys can see on the daily, like this literally has bottomed out right now. Oh my god, I can't even believe this. Looking at this daily chart, just like, oh, what the hell happened? And mind you, look at all this nice little volume here. We have buying volume. These two green buying volumes mean a lot of money is coming. People are buying in. So definitely, I'll be buying some Steam. Possible ROI, 650%, y'all. Listen, I'm showing y'all stuff. I'm showing y'all stuff I should be just showing to my Telegram group, you know. But today's a special day. I like y'all, y'all my patrons, y'all come to my YouTube channel. Y'all show me love, so I want to show y'all love real quick. Steam right now is at a perfect freaking buy, like for real, for real. I'm about to throw some money on that. I'm not even gonna hold y'all like that. I showed y'all a lot. I think I showed y'all five. I showed y'all Steam, XZC. We had XMR, ZRX. Let me see. ZRX. That's two, three. Let me show y'all. And Nav actually had like I think 7-8%. Like it bottomed out the other day, and then once it bottomed out, it did like 8%. So I'll show y'all some Nav too. Nav is also a really good privacy coin that I mess with. So look at Nav as well. So this is the daily chart. Oh man, you see all that buying value once it's bottomed out. Like Nav is dirt cheap right now, guys. Like this is like a must buy. This is like a must buy. But as you can see, it bottomed out, right? And once it bottomed out, it did like a nice little 8% jump, but it came right back to test the bottom again. Definitely gonna be buying some Nav property as well, but I'm mostly gonna buy some Steam. I like Steam. Nav, once the bear market hit, man, I didn't even show y'all. So this is I'm sorry. So this is Nav. It's, as you can see, it's bottomed out right here. Let's see if I can circle that for y'all real quick. So right here is bottomed out. And just looking at the previous, it bottomed out here. So like you just looking for. So as you can see, these three locations, it's all the same spot. We got a nice little bounce back once they hit here. So this one, it went all the way, it did 173%. Once it came back down, it did 60%. So, that's it bottomed out a few times. So let's see if we could get that same ROI right there. So those are the five I wanted to show you guys. Just showing y'all how I go about trading, showing you guys the notes I send myself. Just being completely straight up and honest with y'all. I'm not holding nothing back. I usually just share this again like to my Telegram group, and it is a paid group. I like to help people learn about cryptocurrency. This is my passion. I'm not even gonna hold you out because shoot, for me, crypto is gonna help me get out of debt with my student loans. It's gonna pay for my house. It's gonna help me. I don't think it's a get rich quick scheme. Some of the projects that I'm invested in may even fail, but I'm in several different projects. So I just need one of them to really go 200-300x. I got some stuff. I've been in crypto space for about 2.5, 3 years now. So I got some stuff, some like really good prices that I'm holding on, for future ROI. See how much I could cash out. But this is I just like helping people. And when I first joined the crypto space, I didn't know a lot. People helped me learn. I was like, cool. And once I learned about the crypto space, I just helped so much other people. It was like a passion. People used to always, and I was in a group meet, a Discord, and a Telegram group. And I'm helping all these people. Mind you, there's thousands of people in this group, and people used to hit me up on the side all the time. Like, yo, Trevor, what you think about this project? What you think about this ICO? What you think about this specific project? And I took my time out to help every single individual. So I'm going through the same with my Telegram group. I'm like, you know what? I like doing this. Why not create my own community because I wasn't the admin in these communities, and sometimes the admins were a little like stush, like real mean. I didn't really appreciate that. But anyway, I'm gonna stop jabbing about myself. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know what you liked or disliked about this channel. If you have any questions, holla at your boy at cryptotrap.info.com. I said .com.info, and let me know what you guys want me to discuss. whether it be a specific project, whether it be anything in the crypto news. There's so much that happens in crypto news that I don't cover everything sometimes. But if I do miss something, drop that down for me and in the chat box in the link and let me know about it. Let me know about your favorite projects as well. So again, this is CryptoTrap.co YouTube channel, but I am the current officer and only officer. Check out the website TRB Crypto Solutions, where we believe crypto is the solution for the future, and definitely help you get some money. So definitely check me out. Before we go though, one of my favorite books, you guys. Let me see. Where is it? Yeah, Tim Draper, How to Be a Startup Hero. Oh man, one of the coolest dudes. Like after every chapter, right? This book has quotes, and I love quotes, man. Quotes get you through the day and just help you significantly, man. I actually met him too. He actually signed my book. Let me show you. Like, Mr. Draper signed my book. I met him at World CryptoCon. I went to World CryptoCon, met some people, and he signed the book. Totally ecstatic. I'm just going to a random page real quick. I'm just reading them. I like this one. When you have confidence, you can have a lot of fun. And when you have fun, you can do amazing things. So have confidence, guys, in the things that you want to do and want to accomplish. Um, the sky is the limit and beyond. So have fun. This is Travis, Crypto Trav, CO. Holla at your boy. It's been real. And I'm going to keep it up with the weekly, guys. I just had to take a week off, man. And, holla at me. You already know where to find me. Peace.